Now, prominent industrialist and director of leading cricketing gear manufacturer of BDM Industries, Sudhir Mahajan, has been kidnapped for ransom last night. Mahajan was on his way back home in his car when he was attacked by the armed assailants near Ganganagar area. Now, kidnappers have demanded a ransom of 2 crore rupees for his release. The incident has happened near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh.
राकेश महाजन और सुधीर महाजन दोनों का भाई भाई है। इन दोनों के बीच में प्रॉपर्टी को लेकर डिस्प्यूट है और पिछले कुछ महीने पहले भी ये बात सीओ ब्रह्मपुरी के समक्ष आई थी। वो दोनों के बीच में फिर समझौता हुआ। फिर भी इनका जो बेटे हैं उनके खिलाफ मुकदमा भी पंजीकृत कराया था। तो ये सारी बातें हैं पारिवारिक झगड़ा। क्या राकेश महाजन या उसके परिवार से किसी को हिरासत में लिया गया है अभी तक? कोई नहीं, वो अभी तो हम लोग का उस ओर हम लोग अभी कोई प्रयास नहीं है। अभी तो कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं।
पकड़ के लिए क्या प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं आरोपियों को?
अभी देखिए, कल तक हम आपको कुछ सफलता के साथ।
Pranshu joining us on this story. Pranshu, Sudhir Mahajan is a well-known owner and director of BDM manufacturers for cricket gears. But this kidnapping coming at a time for Akhilesh's government when Mayawati has already attacked the government for the law and order situation in the state.
Yes, see, that's right. See, it's a high-profile kidnapping in Meerut, and Mr. Mahajan is a well-known industrialist in Western Uttar Pradesh. The manner in which he was abducted, that clearly raises how daring the criminals here in Uttar Pradesh have become. He was on his way to his home from his factory late night yesterday, and then he was kidnapped on gunpoint. His car was stopped on gunpoint in Ganganagar area. He was kidnapped, and now what we are learning from the family is, though it's not official, police has not given any official reaction about it. But the buzz is that the ransom of around 2 crore rupees that has been demanded from the family. So that clearly makes this entire case more shocking. And you're absolutely right, because not only Mayawati but also other opposition parties, they have been gunning against Akhilesh Yadav's government on the issue of law and order. And Mayawati has in fact yesterday gone ahead to term the state as a crime pradesh. So clearly, in the backdrop of those sort of allegations, those sort of charges against the state government on the front of law and order, this particular high-profile kidnapping in a western Uttar Pradesh town, that clearly gives a lot much fodder and ammunition against the state government.
Thanks, Pranshu, for getting us the update at this hour. But we come back.